It closes out. So let's just recap. What for the bulls has been a bit of a disappointing session because they could not build on the momentum that we had. In the morning, we came in on a strong Wall Street close, good Asia, decent European market action. But on the index, that's the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, we didn't find that kind of traction. A lot of volatility once again. But anyway, I mean, the range has been protected on the downside. So that's perhaps the good news. Let's talk about the movers then. On the upside, the star of trade really was Hero Moto, as our colleague Parikshit has been telling us. Company is going to be coming out with an event in Jaipur in the coming few days talking about a lot of premium bike launches. So that was a star, about 4.5% higher. And Bajaj Auto absolutely in step, keeping it company. The next biggest winner on the Nifty, 3.5% up on Bajaj Auto. So these two were doing well. Even Eicher actually had a good rub-off, 1% up on Eicher. So two-wheeler boys right up there. And then it was a second day running of strong buying on Reliance, 2.5% up on that counter. Keeping the flag flying high for the Nifty as well. Now, IT is a bit split today. You've seen TCS end on the positive side of the screen ahead of the numbers. Infosys, by the way, is one of the weaker stocks on the index, down about 1.5% almost. So, Infi not quite adding up. Let's see what else worked for the market. Axis Bank on the upside. But again, if you're talking Axis Bank on the upside, there were a lot of names like HDFC Bank that were dragging. So even within banking, it was not uniform. It was really all over the place, very mixed trends coming through. If I talk about some more weakness, then L&T, Nestle, which has had a very good week so far. Today there was some profit taking on Nestle. Throw in an ICICI Bank and an ITC, two more heavyweights, which led to a downward draft. So absolutely split as far as the Nifty is concerned. But I mean, 20 points of an up move for what it's worth.
Okay, well, on that note, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. Markets Forward comes up next.